Hey everyone, this is Nick Santiago with Bullseye Options. Today's December 20th, 2020. I'm going to show you a trade that I did close out yesterday for a 26% gain. And this is something that every trader can do once you know really what you're looking at and what you're doing. Now this trade even had a lot of my members a little bit confused. They would say, Nick, why are we getting into this trade? I was getting a lot of slack and a lot of heat when I entered this one. And the first thing that traders did where they said, Nick, this is putting in bullish consolidation. They were absolutely correct. However, they were not looking at what I call the bigger picture. So you can see here all the details of the trade entered on December 5th at $2.89. This is a put option, and you're going to see I exited the trade yesterday on the 19th of December at $3.65, 76-cent gain. That's about 26.29%. So if we take a look at the chart here, you're going to see on the 5th of December, that would bring us right to where my cursor is, right there. And again, why would anybody enter on this bullish pattern? The stock is above all the major moving averages. It looks really, really strong right now. It looks like it wants to push higher. And again, this is Harley Davidson. It doesn't matter what it is. It's always about pattern. Now, when you look at the weekly chart pattern, that was actually looking pretty good at that point in time. Let me just erase the details here. And what you'll see is that was actually putting in a good formation. But there was some resistance back here. But when I looked at a monthly chart time frame, that's where the magic came in. And what you're going to see here is that we were going into a monster reversal. So remember, here's where the stock broke out, put a little bit of a pause pivot in there as you made a little high, and then you came back in. We call this a spinning top candle formation. Not that it's a big deal, but just showed you that the market needed a breather. And then it reversed to the downside here, and we broke below this breakout. And when that happens, there are people stuck right here. So what do you think these people are going to do when price gets back up right into that range? They're going to become sellers, and that's exactly what happened here in Harley Davidson stock. So this was the reason for taking the put option. And in fact, if I just draw a straight line across here, you'll see how that matched up. Just picture perfect with that little spinning top narrow body bar right there. And again, these people here were stuck. And what are they going to do? They've been in pain this whole entire time. They get priced back up to break even. They're going to breathe easy, sigh of relief. They're going to take it off the table and become sellers at break even, forcing this back down. Hence, that's where we made our money. Now, if we fast forward back over to a daily chart, what you're going to notice here, quite the rollover. Again, our strike price was 42. Why would we go to 42? Because that's exactly where the breakout occurred on the daily chart. Markets love to go back and revisit, and that's exactly what this is doing. So again, nice easy trade. We weren't in it very long. Quick, easy, 26%. You could do this consistently if you learn these methods, if you learn how to chart these equities, and these patterns appear over and over and over and over again. And this is something I've been doing on a regular basis. So come over, check out Bullseye Options, having a banner year, and we're going to keep it going all the way into the end of this year and well into next year as well. Have a great trading day, everybody. See you on the charts.